Protomotive. We're following a fun little C2 Corvette in front of us here, 1966 model. It's got an interesting license plate on it. Not sure if you could see that, but it does say stop looking at my butt. So we're in a 2007 997.1 turbo that's just getting finished up and ready for delivery. It's got our alpha kit on it with some fenderwell intakes and a XPipe and some 1100cc injectors. We're running this on pump gas. It's got a stock stage 3 clutch kit in it. Oops, are we having a problem? Sin had to run back and get her pool cue so we don't get to read her fun license plate anymore. But I thought I would put the windows down for you to hear a little bit of the fun of the fenderwell intakes. Throttling it a little hard to overly exaggerate the intakes. Wow, that's brutal. I doubt you can hear anything with the windows down like that. So let's put them back up here. We'll do the same kind of roll up here. See what the fenderwell intakes sound like from the inside of the car. I'm rolling into it to get it to exaggerate it a little bit, whereas a normal, you just get a little. But as you can hear, I don't know if you can hear on the thing, the tire noise is quite a bit louder than the XPipe. We also did I forgot about that, we did the Bilstein PSS16 suspension on here. All new rotors, pads, went through the brakes, it's got new Momo wheels, and I'm pretty sure he ended up with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s on here, so it feels fabulous. We did a full corner balance on it. Front tires are dead on the corner balance. The rear tires, the best we could get is about within 90 pounds, but didn't want to change that. If we changed that, we would have upset the front end, and the front end is really where you want them dead on, so that it just tracks dead perfect for you. So on throttle, off throttle, whatever, there's just nothing going on as far as tracking. And on the 4-wheel drives, that's critical. Roads here in Arkansas are really something to be admired for sure, especially up here in the Ozark Mountains. You'll often see, well, Porsche Palooza runs through here, the Lamborghini clubs, the BMW clubs, even they hold a small bike racing, like the Tour de France here. You'll come up here and see thousands of bicycles coming up the mountain here and down through Jasper, back up through Harrison. There's a really fun loop that everybody likes to use for their circuits. But then you always realize you're having a little too much fun when you come upon traffic, and it feels like you could get out and walk by comparison, even though you're just not even racing, not feeling like you're driving fast, just spirited driving. Hopefully we'll lose this guy soon. Mr. Maverick. Well, we're seemingly unable to get away from Mr. Maverick. We've tried to trail off behind him a little ways. I'm cruising anywhere from 36 to 42 miles per hour in a 55. Anyhow, haven't tried to run in this yet. Without hurting anything. Roll off the line. Okay. I heard the wastegate controller beeping at me. Yep, it's telling me we're making too much boost. I tuned it 1,200 foot down. Go ahead and turn that down a little bit. Clear that again. Where'd it go? I lost everything flying around the car. Oh, there we go. Well, the grip of these tires makes that pretty violent. I was expecting to see a lot of traction control, but holy cow. I don't know, I'd like to see a G meter on this thing. I've tested other cars that 1.2 Gs are busting the tires loose, and this is feeling like we've got quite a bit more than 1.2 Gs. Just got fresh pavement here. Let's see. Didn't hear the wastegate controller beeping that time. Let's see. Where are we at? Too much crap in this seat over there, sorry. Yeah, 1.41. I've got it set to run like bar and a quarter in the mid-range with a climb up top. So it's, in theory, not reaching that until higher RPMs. At least that's what I saw on the dyno. Now, problem is this car's going down to sea level, where it's going to be running even more boost, so we should probably knock a couple more % out of it. Now we're in more traffic again.